Good. This is Bowers Hollow Creek. Comes in from up there. Comes in back this direction too. And then it heads way downstream here to the top of the falls, I presume, in a minute or two. Crossing Bowers Hollow Creek. It's running real well. Come up here. There's some pretty waterfalls right there. These are some people we ran into down below the falls. Don't know if you can see them. Way down there. We're here. The waterfall going down. That's Ty over there. That's going down to the creek. We're a quarter mile from the falls. We're going to walk to them and get to the bottom of the falls. You want to wave? Ty! Well, here we are. Quite a trek out here. That's Bowers Falls. There's my friend Ty up there. There's no way out of here. We have to backtrack a quarter mile to get out of here. The bluffs are too steep to climb. Too dangerous. Well, those flows are really flowing. Wow. Up there, above the creek. This is Upper Smith Falls. They're like 57 feet tall. And the ones I'm going to are 71 feet tall. This is Lower Smith Falls. Again, this time we can see the bottom though. About 71 feet tall. In the Bowers Gulf Wilderness. See if we can get a bit closer up here. Trying. There's the bottom. That Ty there, standing above Lower Smith Falls, and those are about 71 feet tall. You can't see the bottom right now. Smile, Ty.